Hi, Mary. Welcome in.
Thank you. I have a question. The child was in charge of a parrot and had power of attorney over that parrot. Well, they could do anything with their finances and getting medical help and everything.
Yes,
but
ma'am.
once he took his last breath and died, that power of attorney was no longer, she had no control over his finances or anything. He had money in the bank account, and now she cannot get it out because when they found out that he passed away and she's not an executive of a will, he didn't have a will and had no one on the bank account. Now there are $1,000 in his bank account, and she paid out of her pocket $1,000 to the retirement home where he lived. How can they get the money out without going back to court? Because they went to court to get the power of attorney. And when she got the power of attorney, no lawyer told her that she needs to have a will and be executor of the will in order to continue with his business after death.
Right. Well, hey, very good question. And yes, power of attorneys do die at death. It's very important to have a will in place, but you can still get access to funds if there's no will. And there's also a statute that allows us, if there's less than $5,000 in an account, there are other ways to get that. So, give my office a call. We can certainly look into that for you. But understand, and it's a harsh way to say it, but power of attorneys die at death, and you have to remember that. But oftentimes there are other arrangements that can be made to avoid probate. In this case, you've got someone that paid funeral expenses, and they're due to be reimbursed that money. So there are times when there's less than $5,000 we can do things to avoid probate, but it's going to take an attorney to work through some of those issues for you.